Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best wreath storage boxes is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items for anyone who loves to decorate for the holidays, ensuring your beautiful wreaths remain pristine and ready for display year after year, preventing them from getting crushed, dusty, or damaged during the off-season, and ultimately saving you money and hassle when the festive spirit calls again. Number 5. Zober Large Christmas Tree Storage Bag. Keep your Christmas tree safe from damage, dust, moisture, and pests. Ensure it's always ready to be displayed when the holiday season arrives. This durable bag is made from waterproof polyethylene plastic. It effectively protects your artificial tree from mold and water damage, keeping it pristine. With reinforced handles, moving your tree between storage and your living room is a breeze. Enjoy hassle-free transport thanks to its convenient design. Easily find your tree in storage with this festive green bag. The attached card slot lets you quickly identify what's inside without any guesswork. The dual zipper allows for wide opening, making placement and removal simple. Just unfold, insert your tree, and enjoy easy storage without any assembly required. What we like? This option offers excellent protection against dust and moisture, keeping your tree safe. It features reinforced handles for easy transport and a label slot for identification. If you're looking for robust protection and easy identification for your artificial tree, this is a great choice. What people say. The bag is good quality, sturdy, worked great for our heavy older tree. The inside is huge. This bag worked great. It easily fits our 9-foot artificial tree with room to spare, and the material feels thick and durable, not cheap or flimsy at all. I especially love that it's waterproof, which gives me peace of mind storing it in the garage. The strong handles make it so much easier to carry and move, even when it's fully packed. This Christmas tree bag is actually much larger than I thought it was going to be, which isn't a bad thing. It easily takes the tree I wanted to put in there, together with another tree I hadn't intended to. Still with plenty of space to spare. Number 4. Zober 9-foot Large Christmas Tree Storage Bag. Keep your cherished Christmas tree safe and sound. Our bags shield it from dust, moisture, and damage, ensuring it looks perfect for years to come. Crafted from heavy-duty, waterproof plastic, this storage solution is built for durability. It's designed to protect your tree through many holiday seasons. Moving your tree is a breeze with reinforced handles. Transport it easily from storage to your living room without any strain. Never forget what's inside. An attached card slot lets you easily label the bag, so you can quickly identify your Christmas tree. The wide opening with a dual zipper makes placing and removing your tree incredibly simple. Just unfold and store, no assembly needed. What we like? This bag is crafted from heavy-duty, waterproof plastic, ensuring long-lasting durability. The dual zipper provides hassle-free access, and it also includes a card slot for easy labeling. If you prioritize durability and simple access for your artificial tree, this is the one to consider. What people say. The bag is good quality, sturdy, worked great for our heavy older tree. The inside is huge. This bag worked great. It easily fits our 9-foot artificial tree with room to spare, and the material feels thick and durable, not cheap or flimsy at all. I especially love that it's waterproof, which gives me peace of mind storing it in the garage. The strong handles make it so much easier to carry and move, even when it's fully packed. The bag can hold all of your Christmas decorations, just make sure they are in containers. If you have a tree that's 9 feet, this is a winner. Number 3. Handy Laundry Christmas Wreath Storage Container. This Christmas wreath storage bag is incredibly spacious, easily accommodating wreaths up to 36 inches. Its roomy interior is perfect for storing multiple wreaths, garlands, or even holiday lights. Crafted from a robust, tarp-like fabric, this storage solution is built to withstand the test of time. It's designed for durability, no matter where you choose to store it. The full zipper opening makes placing and removing your items a breeze. This design helps protect your delicate decorations from any accidental damage. With sturdy, reinforced handles, carrying your holiday decor is simple and convenient. It's perfect for moving items around your home or even for travel. Keep your seasonal decorations safe and sound all year round. This container effectively shields them from dust, dirt, and pests, ensuring they stay in pristine condition. What we like? This storage bag offers a spacious interior, perfect for wreaths up to 36 inches, and is made from durable tarp-like fabric. Its full zipper opening ensures easy access to your holiday decor. If you need a versatile and protective solution for multiple wreaths or other seasonal decorations, this is an excellent option. What people say. These bags are heavy-duty, oversized, and held 4 long strands of lit garland in one bag. I used the second bag for my wreath and table garland. It half-zips so that you can wrap garland securely and continue to add more items in the bag neatly without everything coming unraveled. Perfect size for the Christmas wreath and room for other things to fit as well. Great to hang up when storing. Number 2. HOMZ Durabilt 27-gallon storage bins. Take control of your home and garage with our durable storage tote set. These containers are designed to help you conquer clutter and achieve ultimate organization. Each rugged tote is constructed from shatter, dent, and blemish-resistant material. They feature a convenient hinged lid and easy-to-use 4-way handles for effortless access. These plastic boxes are designed to be space-saving and stackable. You can maximize your storage space by taking your belongings to new heights. Feel good about organizing your home with these totes made from 90% recycled materials. They are a fantastic choice for both your items and the planet. From everyday storage to seasonal organization, we have the perfect container for your needs. Let us help you make your house a HOMZ. What we like. These heavy-duty plastic bins are stackable, making them ideal for maximizing storage space in your garage or attic. They are made from shatter-resistant material and 90% recycled content, featuring a convenient hinged flip lid. If you need a durable, space-saving, and eco-friendly storage solution for various items, including holiday decor, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. These are definitely sturdy while not being heavy, can fit quite a bit, and are easy to pick up and move around. These fit perfectly and are a much better alternative to cardboard boxes which can rot in the summer heat in a garage, as well as are too easy for critters to get into if they find their way in. Durable, stackable, great color. Number 1. HOMZ 2-pack under bed storage containers. Tired of clutter? Easily store blankets, clothes, and more with these spacious containers. They are designed to fit perfectly under your bed, reclaiming valuable space. Crafted from 90% recycled materials, these sturdy containers are built to last. They offer a smart and sustainable solution for your storage needs. These multi-purpose bins are perfect for organizing closets and shelves. Use them to store seasonal items, linens, and all your household essentials neatly. Quickly see what's inside thanks to the transparent design. The convenient latches securely lock the lids, making them easy to use and transport. From organization to storage, we have the containers you need. Proudly made in the USA, let us help make your house a HOMZ. What we like. These clear plastic containers are specifically designed to maximize underbed space, perfect for storing blankets, clothes, and seasonal items. They are made from durable, recycled materials and feature convenient latching lids for easy access and transport. If you're looking to efficiently organize and store items out of sight, especially in smaller living spaces, these underbed bins are ideal. What people say. Well built. Hard to find size was a plus. Used for underbed storage for our newborn crib. Fit was perfect and fits a lot of items for the size. Space is limited in my flat. These are great for utilization of 100% of all usable storage space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.